for everything to rise. And the power tends to peak as you rise. So just simply rising and expanding, the power is going to peak out. If you're training any martial skill, you want to sink at the same time as expanding. So you want to avoid the rise to produce more power, go down and harmonize. So you've got to split the mind between the quality of sinking and the quality of extending. So Jimmy. So he gives me a force, and I send it to the ground. I put my curve down underneath his base. Once I feel his base, then I can extend the gin underneath. And if I don't pay attention to, which the microphone, isn't it? If I don't pay attention to the sinking, I'm automatically going to rise. So I want to keep that feeling going down while I'm extending the mind. And you have two choices. I can go magnetic and electric at the same time, magnetic down and electric out, or I can sink down and gently and softly extend the gin. So simultaneous magnetic and electrical work better on Jimmy, but some people the sinking and the expanding simultaneously work better. So the sink, I go down into the base and then keep an awareness of that while I extend the gin, or magnetic and electric simultaneously. And that works obviously much better on Jimmy. Different formula for different people. Okay, have a play. Thank you.